One of the hardest things about being an e-commerce entrepreneur, certainly getting started anyway, is deciding what the hell you should sell. So in this video, I want to take you through some very, very simple ideas to come up with new product ideas to sell on Amazon or eBay, Shopify, wherever it is you want to be selling things. These are going to work no matter where you sell. With that being said, let's get into it. First one is to go into retail stores and see what's on retail shelves. This is actually one of, it's not my idea, this is Kate Ingham's idea. Kate used this to find her product. I can't say the product because she still sells it, but suffice to say, it was a jewelry product aimed at tweens. So tween girls, as it happens, which is that kind of pre-teen girl, so 9 to 13-year-old, something like that. Actually very difficult to buy for. She came up with an idea on a retail visit, and that business did $60,000 a month. I think last in December it did $60,000. So good little business. She found that idea in a shop. I love that. So 3 of my favorite websites, which have also got shops in Australia as well. Obviously, I can't go into a shop in Australia at a minute, but Essential Ingredient, that used to be my little home when I was doing lots of cooking in Australia. The shop used to be in Camperdown in Sydney, massive warehouse, awesome fun, like pornography for cooks. It was awesome fun. But anyway, so they're at essentialingredient.com. Go check them out. Really very, very good product ideas for selling in homewares and kitchen to people who are not professional cooks, but certainly they're more enthusiastic home cooks. Okay. Another one is the kitchen warehouse. These are everywhere. But again, go check out what these are selling for some really good ideas as well. Same kind of niche. And the final one is Williams Sonoma. Again, these are everywhere, but these are higher end kitchenware. And I like what they sell. And I think that not only can you see what they're selling and get some ideas from that, but I also think that these do the selling process online really well as well. Like Essential Ingredient, their website's just kind of okay, but Williams Sonoma, their website is really good. So you can actually get some good ideas for how to sell from here too. Anyway, so going into retail shops, whatever it is for you, obviously I've just spent the weekend cooking, so it was all about cooking for me. But yeah, go and take a look at that. The other one I really like as well is Reddit. Reddit is my social media platform. Like if I think about, like my wife is usually on Pinterest and Instagram. My oldest daughter is just on TikTok non-stop. She's also on Pinterest as well. If I think about what social media platform I'm on the most, it's Reddit. I spend most of my time wasting my time on Reddit, okay? But it's actually really good for product ideas. I find it incredibly good for product ideas. Actually, one of the biggest searches on Google currently is a product followed by Reddit so that people can read actual real life product evaluations, product reviews that have been posted on Reddit. So interesting to see how the Reddit community is held in such high esteem for giving actual evaluations. Okay, so I was checking out the gardening forum because we're doing the garden here, and I've been just getting ideas for the garden for this place here, and I happened across this, and I thought this was such a cool idea, like such a cool idea. But there's heaps of them all throughout it. I just thought this was a really smart idea. And pots, interesting pots for plants sell unbelievably well on Amazon. So if you've got something interesting and you can put that onto Amazon, that's a really cool thing to do. Okay, so Reddit, very, very underrated. I really like it. Skull flower pots, interesting idea for a product to sell. One thing I like to do a lot is to find products that are best sellers on Amazon. Like these are products that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month in sales. Like there's a massive amount of traffic going to these particular products, huge. So you've got these products, and you know that you can't launch a product into that to compete directly with it, not unless you've got very, very deep pockets to acquire the ratings and also to game Amazon's system to make sure that you actually rank over it. But you can use these products to then niche down within that product to find other smaller niches within niches. Okay, so let's just have a quick look over here. Put air fryer in. As you can see, it's got a lot of search volume. Okay, there's a lot of search volume for this, and it's not just in America, it's all over the place. But if we scroll down, let's see if there's anything in here. So I could sell air fryer baskets. Well, that's an interesting niche within the niche. And there's 30,000, 35,000 searches for that every month. Pretty cool. I could go look at that. What else have we got? Air fryer accessories, air fryer liners. So liners for air fryers. That's something else I could look at selling as well. Okay, so all the time you've got these crazy, crazy big selling items. But if you look at those items, there's always auxiliary things that people buy to go along with them, or people buy to customize, or to augment, or to repair, whatever it is. So there's always a niche within the niche. There's niches within niches. That's a really cool thing to do as well. So bicycles, you'd sell bicycle chains, for instance. Desk lamps, you'd sell the lamp shades to go onto the desk lamps, things like that. Okay. Last one I've got for you that I didn't share the other day is TikTok. TikTok's like a crazy, crazy thing for finding products. If you're not on it, I would get yourself onto it. Like it ain't just kids anymore. There's actually a lot of really good, useful information on here. But aside from that, if you use the hashtag Amazon finds, there's all sorts of ideas for potential products to sell on Amazon. Okay, and the way I think about this is that most TikTokers and most people that use TikTok to sell their products on Amazon target Amazon.com. Okay, that's what most people do, and you only have to follow the links and follow traffic to see that that's the truth. Clearly, what the opportunity is, therefore, is to target other countries. So Canada, the UK, Australia, etc., etc., etc. Okay, that is the opportunity to use it by using this. But it's a really cool thing. I found some classic ideas as a result of that. Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, with over 2,500 members and growing here in Australia. We're actually the fastest growing professional community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million online. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and of course how we can help you get started building and growing your own e-commerce empire, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is directly in the chat, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.